Hello everyone, today I'm making bamboo shoots with shrimp in spicy and sour broth. Does it look yummy? Please come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to SAIGONCOOKtravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So I have these bamboo shoots that I bought from farmer's market, and you need to remove skins. Normally I bought the big shoot. Today I decided to buy small shoots. They have many kinds when it comes to bamboo shoots. So before, when I was at home, my father has a bush, and the bamboo shoot from that bush is so yummy. The big kind. But I saw they selling this small size for a while. Today I decided to make a try. So you just go make a incision along the shoot, and then you just remove the leaves, the outer leaves, one by one until you're done with the tender inside. So this is how I play when I was at home and small, hanging around my mother's kitchen. You see, you can use on the tip there to make your nails. Do you like it? So now with the tender part, I like to slice them. I use a peeler here, and I go on each one and slide them thinly like so. If you are making pork and bamboo shoot braise, you can change the style. That means you can cut length crosswise, and it will look like a ring. And when you cook it that way, my mother used to braise the bamboo shoot with fatty pork, like pork belly. Is so yummy. Now after you're done, bring in the water with salt and drop in your bamboo shred there, slices, and bring to the boil. It depends on the kind of your bamboo shoots. I need it to boil them 3 times to remove the bitterness. Now in my pot, I stir fry garlic, shallot, and onion until fragrant, and then I drop in my shrimp. And when it's fragrant, I will use the broth from watermelon rice. I cook watermelon rice with shrimp shells, shrimp heads, onion, and all of this bring to the boil. And then after that, I will strain the broth. and you will have very flavorful broth. Normally, Asian people, they will use MSG for their food, but I don't, because I try to be organic and avoid using chemicals. So this is a spicy soup, so I just drop in garlic and chilies mash, and now I drop in my green onion and Chinese celery. If you don't have Chinese celery, you can use American celery. But this, I use Chinese celery so that it's loyal to Asian flavor. They don't need to cook long, so I just drop in and I will season with lime juice and vinegar. I have a homemade vinegar. If you want to know how I create homemade vinegar, head to the description box below. I have the link for you to show you how to make vinegar at home. The vinegar you make at home is not too harsh, not too sour like commercial. They are very good. So to season the broth, I use fish sauce, salt, and black pepper, and that's it. You taste the way you like it. Sourness, tartness up to your alley, spiciness, salty or not. You want to, when I mash my chili and garlic, I use a teaspoon of sugar to help its mashing. But if you like the broth a little sweeter, you can add sugar. And that's it. Now let I have a try. Wow, the bamboo shoots is so crunchy. I love it. And the green onion and celery add the dimension. And I remove the skin of the shrimp and try to eat it with the bamboo shoot. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and thank you for watching. And I will see you soon on the next video. Please come back. Thank you. Bye bye.